Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Tim Hortons hot chocolate. This easy method brings that classic taste right to your home. We'll start by gathering just a few simple ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. You'll need cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and a touch of vanilla extract. Make sure you also have a saucepan and a whisk handy for mixing everything smoothly. Let's get started on this delicious treat. First, let's combine our dry ingredients. In your saucepan, add about 2 tablespoons of good quality cocoa powder. Next, measure in 2 to 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, depending on how sweet you like your hot chocolate. Now, take your whisk and thoroughly combine these dry ingredients. This step is crucial for preventing any lumps later on, ensuring a smooth and creamy texture for your drink. Mix until it's a uniform powder. Now it's time to add the liquid. Gradually pour in 1 cup of milk into your saucepan with the cocoa and sugar mixture. As you pour, continuously whisk the ingredients together to ensure everything is well combined and smooth. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Continue to stir constantly as the mixture heats up. The goal is to bring it to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it boil. Keep stirring until it's hot and steamy. Once your hot chocolate is hot and steamy, remove it from the heat. For that extra touch of flavor, stir in about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This really enhances the overall taste. Give it one final good stir, then carefully pour your delicious homemade Tim Hortons hot chocolate into your favorite mug. For an extra special treat, top it with a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of mini marshmallows. Enjoy your warm and comforting drink.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.